Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nelly B Chronicles. Nasikia ni kama mtu ana knock kwa mlango. I think that's my brother. Anakuja tuende gari. Okay, coming. Coming. Upaji umekuja kama introduce video. You good? Mtu hujani hug. Yeah. He's my brother guys. I think mshaimuona kwa video zangu. So amekuja kana introduce video hata nikisema vile tunaenda na yeye. So leo tunaenda wapi? Ama nikusalimie kwanza ukunywe chai.
Mimi ni comrade bana.
Okay, sawa. Guys, wacha kunywa chai. Let me nimalize kujiprepare. As you can see, I'm making my hair. Yeah. Sijaenda salon, so I have to fix it somehow. Yeah, let me show you. Yeah. So natengeneza nywele ndo tutoke. Kama iko. Ashajikaribisha. Hata ngoji nimpe chai anaendelea na zenye ziko.
Kama comrade ukipata chakula kula tu. Juju nakula lini next?
Messia comrades. Okay, so guys, let me get ready. No, tutoke ndo so that we end out. Yeah, so guys, my hair is done. I'm ready. We can head out to the garage. Twende tuone vile gari inakaa. Tuichape road test moja moto kali. Si ndio Kevo?
Sawa.
So meanwhile, wacha bradangu akunywe chai ndo tutoke. Feel at home. So I'm done. Wacha sisi tutoke. Yeah, we are heading out. Anavaa viatu, mimi nishava. I'm all dressed guys. Mtaona look yangu moto. Heti moto. Uongo. Hakuna look moto. Hiyo ni uongo. Hiyo ni uongo. Acha tuone look ya bro. Hata yako si moto. Yako ni moto kikomrade. Venye inafaa. So we are heading out guys. Haujamaliza kuvaa viatu, si ulikuwa ushava? Na mnasemanga mimi ndo na take time to get ready. Now see. Ndo sisi tunatoka sahi. Acha twende tuone. Tutawaonyesha na tutawaelezea vile tulifanya. So guys, tulikuwa tunaenda garage tukakumbuka bro alikuwa anafaa kushika kiatu fulani hapa hivi. Mtu anapenda Air Max. Lakini leo usiniita means of payment. Leo usiniita means of payment. Amezoea kuniita means of payment. So in the base, if you want legit shoes, we're done. Utanilipa za ku-advertise. Yeah, so kujeni mpromote best yangu. So hii ndo base ya viatu na manguo kali ladies na men. Yeah, nguo kali, nguo legit. Kila mtu akuje shop.
Kabisa.
Kuna viatu kali sana. Watu wa sneakers, watu wa Air Max, watu wa hii inaitwa aje?
Hii inaitwa boots.
Watu wa boots.
Crack.
Yeah, watu wa boots. Na ile na Jordans, ile ya blue.
Na kuna Converse. Kuna Nike. Kuna ya Max 20.
Kuna Vans.
Jordan. Kuna Vision hii ya madem.
Hii ni kali. Hebu waonyeshe tena.
Kuna hii. Mambo safi. Kuna hii nyingine ya madem.
Latest.
Ndio hiyo.
New stock. Mkujeni mshop.
Kana zote tu.
So meanwhile, wacha tu bargain kiatu yetu. yenye bro nataka Air Max. Wacha tu bargain, tutawaonyesha bargaining skills zetu. Yeah, so guys, sisi tunatafuta bonda tuone kama tunafika hapo garage ndio. Na ninapenda hii place. Nafikanga hapa na sianga kuchukua video, lakini nikikumbuka vile nishaisinachoa simu nikitembea. Najiambia kimoyo moyo. Character development check. Sola. Na nimesahau spec zangu ama nimebeba? Let me check. Kama pia yako isiende na upepo. You never know. Ndo tumefika garage. Tumekuja kucheck gari tuone vile inakaa. Hii ndo ile engine mzee. Aliweka maji. Ukiona tabia ya kusiaga makanika, si kila kitu mtu anafaa kuwa anajifanya anajua. Nyava hii tera adira roje. Andrew. Mimi ningezuba, ningoje. Mimi ningezuba, alafu so guys, tumeonana na mechanic na tushapewa bill. Bill iko hapa ni kali. So tunaenda tuangalie gari, imeenda car wash juu imekaa sana garage for a while. So tunataka tuende tuiangalie, we check, to negotiate hizo payments. Ndio sasa tupeleke gari home. Yeah, that's it guys. Ndio hii gari. Acha sasa nataka muone the before and after. Ni chafu, iko car wash. Wacha niwaonyeshe vile iko. Very dirty. But kila kitu iko set na engine imewekwa engine nyingine. Iko sawa Kevo? Iko fiti? Gari yenyewe ni chafu. Mama's baby. Na hiyo kadoli yangu hata hatujaipiga vumbi. Ndo hizi mavitu zenye zilitolewa za the old engine. Na hiyo engine nyingine yenye nimeonyesha huko. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Yep. So wacha ioshwe, tunaipiga saa ingine. Kadoli kangu sijai kaosha for so long. I tell you, kazi ya kukua sales rep si mchezo. Imagine unapigwa na hiyo jua yote. Unakuta unapata customers wengine hawako. Wengine unapata wako lakini hawana pesa. Mashinda tupu. But anyway, I thank God because a number of them pays on time. Yeah, and I pray for my customers. Ndo pia wapata customers wengine, ndo nipate pesa pia. So, hii ndo kazi, hii ndo life. You walk. Ona miguu. You walk. Juu inakupiga. At the end of the day, tunatafuta pesa. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Nimeanza kufanya the finishing video. Ile siku tulienda garage, tukaenda tukaambia gari iko car wash, nikawaonyesha vile inakaa. So niliona ndo inaoshwa sasa hiyo. So I had to go to job. mi hufanya kazi ya field, naendanga nikitafuta orders kwa Agrovets na uzanga chumvi. So nikaenda job and I came back so late in the evening around 5-6 p.m. there. So nikaenda nikapata ndo sasa mwenye garage ashaitoa car wash, anafanya the final touches. So that's why hatukuweza kuonyesha road test na my bro. It was so late na alikuwa anarudi shule. Tulipeleka tu gari home, alafu tukalala na hiyo story ikaishia hapo. So the following day ndo tukakumbuka the brake shoe ilikuwa pia na issue. Nikachukua gari tena nikapeleka garage. After sasa imetengenezwa ndo nikaenda sasa road test. Kwenda road test ikazimikia kwa njia tena somewhere road Mitungu. Tukaita mechanic, akakuja akaicheck. Yeah, nimewaonyesha hapo vile mechanic alikuja akacheck gari. Tawaonyesha, I'll show them what happened in the next video. But guys, imagine it was a very simple mistake that costed us a whole engine, a whole new engine. Sababu ya mistake moja tu. To my brother, there was a time we were going to visit my small sister in school. It was around 5 a.m. in the morning. Na tulikuwa in a hurry. She was sick. So we were going to the hospital. So gari ikazimika. But obvious for a layman, like unafikiria tu gari imechemka, unafikiria ni maji haiko, unaanza kucheck maji. Wakati vile wali check maji, wakaona maji ni kama haiko enough, wakaanza kuweka maji. So in the process of kupiga, wanasemanga kupiga, unagurumisha, unapiga, sijui I don't know vitu gani zilivunjika huko. Only mechanics will understand. Sasa the moment wanaweka maji inaenda kuingia paka direct kwa engine. Sasa that is how our engine ended up being spoiled. Na sasa gari tukaenda kwa mechanic, imagine ilibidi tuache gari huko, tukachukua gari ya my cousin, tukaenda nayo kwenye tulikuwa tunaenda. So gari sasa tulipeleka garage na ikatengenezwa guys. So wacha niwaambie kitu moja guys, mkiona shinda zingine like si lazima ujifanya wewe ni mtu unajua sana, unaweza fix. Some simple mistake can cost you way much. Juu kama sisi sasa tungekataa kufanya anything ama kuweka maji, gari ingekuwa in good shape, ingefanywa tu maybe a few, ilikuwa the problem was minor, that is what the mechanic was saying. So ingerekebishwa tu haraka, but sasa it costed us a whole lot of money because the engine of that car is very expensive. Yeah, so that is guys. So I think I'll wrap up this video here because I didn't get time to close the video. So bye guys, let's see you in the next video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Nelly B, Nelly_Bernard. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and comment down below. Bye.
Hi guys. This is my friend. We are road tripping. But apparently our vehicle has a mechanical issue. And we know nothing about it. My designated driver. She knows nothing about vehicles.
You only know something about makeup.
And we are yet stranded now in the middle of nowhere. We have to wait for a mechanic. I don't know how long that will take. But now, that is the only option we got.
And imagine we were going somewhere we are both just
there. Now we are in the middle of nowhere.
We were going to film, guys.
Look at the place we are.
My friend has been so busy the whole week. Sasa the only moment anapata time ndo hiyo gari sasa.
The disappointment.
Sasa sijui tuchukue ndudhi tuache gari hapa, but sasa again lazima
the mechanic is coming.
So we have to wait. It's like we have to cancel now our swimming.
We are going somewhere for swimming. It has been a minute.
What? Wow.
Wow.
Now what do we do? Just wait.
And then the sun is sunning, Banawi. As you can see, we are sun-kissed.
But thank God at least we had parked. We are just near the market place. We are not far away from Mitungu.
Yes, slightly below Mitungu.
Yeah.
On your way to Daraka, there is a place that we usually go to swim. It has a very nice swimming pool.
And some some nice views,
Yes.
some mountains, some hiking.
Maze. But now look at us, stranded in the middle of nowhere.
You can't do anything. Hizi vitu zikiitwa chuma ni chuma ya huko.
Maze.
Ikiharibika imeharibika.
If it's said to disappoint you, it disappoint
Yeah, it disappoint you proper.
Ajax.
So apparently gari ilitoka garage jana. In the previous video nilikuwa nimewaambia tulikuwa garage. We went to change the engine. Now I think the engine has not familiarized with the other things huko ndani. So and then
It has not
familiarized with the sisters of the engines and the cars, those connections.
Does the engine, guys, let us know in the comment section below that when a vehicle is installed another engine, does it have to familiarize with the other things that it has met?
Yes.
But if it matches the vehicle, meaning all the other parts are supposed to go to align with the new engine.
Now maybe things have not yet aligned themselves.
How
So
is that? How is that even possible?
that's what the mechanic said.
Don't you trust your mechanic?
I trust my mechanic. That's why I just called him to come and just fix this mess.
Okay.
Because now, see, I can't go where I was going. But I thank God because yesterday we didn't have time to do the road trip, the road test.
Yes,
Yeah.
supposed to
We tulitoka garage so late because it had to go to the car wash. It's official. It was so dirty, guys. Now it's me alone doing the road test. My brother is nowhere. My brother is in school. Now I'm suffering.
Apparently, we are just
Even my mom doesn't know where I am. My mom is somewhere. My mom was to go to the shamba tomorrow with the vehicle. So I thank God at least I'm the one with the vehicle when it's getting issues. Because my mom now, I'm better off than my mom. My mom has no clue about vehicles.
We are trying to get better
Don't
shots.
show them the number plate so they will be laughing at our vehicle when they see it.
No, I'm very careful with that. I cannot show that.
Yeah, but it's a nice vehicle, guys.
As long as it can move. Huh? What else do you need in this life?
Yeah, so we are just waiting to see our mechanic. Come out a fix. I think by now, what's the time? It's about 4 p.m. It's about 4 p.m. Yeah, it's about 4 p.m. and we're supposed to go swimming. How do we swim at night? It's not even a heated pool.
Yes, Mazi, but the good thing with this place is that the sun sets late. I think it is the last place that sees the sun before it sets.
Yeah.
So it must be. We'll have to take a dip. Either way, unless the mechanic wastes our more time.
Yeah, now we have to
Because if we come quickly, it's likely to take 20 to 30 minutes to get here.
Yeah, it's far.
Yes.
The place, the garage is far away from this market. Yeah, it's one market away.
Yes.
So yes, it takes around 20 minutes to get here.
Guys, I didn't even introduce myself.
Where is your manners?
Yes, I am just filming here, struggling to film a video for this girl.
Even people are wondering, these girls now who will fix their vehicle. Some good Samaritans have come to help, but I've told them like I have my mechanic who should fix it. I don't have to get another mechanic.
And you know, and now,
around.
when a vehicle is just from the garage, you don't want just anybody interfering with it. The other mechanic will bring issues, saying that hii si shida yangu, inaweza kuwa it is the new mechanic who has messed up my work.
Yeah.
Well, guys, you know how these things goes. So this is us in the middle of nowhere. The skies are blue.
Can they see the mountains from far?
I'm trying to show them. Yes, they can see.
That's far.
Yes, that's where we are going.
This is called Mate Road. It's a very nice highway for road trips.
Yes.
What are road trips?
Got
This is the
views.
plug.
Yes.
This is the best place to do your road trips.
Yes, it got views, man.
Yeah, you can go all the way to Marimanti, go to Kadwana, that is Tharaka-Nithi County.
Henna.
There is also another bypass over here.
It
in
connects
Enda
you
Meru
to
town.
Henna, yes.
Yeah. So it's a nice place to do your road trips. Or rather road test.
Guys,
Let's just wait. We are now confused. We just have to wait.
And this filming thing is a bit tricky for me. My hands are getting tired.
We are getting tired.
Yes, anyhow. This is us. The tripod.
Yeah.
This is us in the middle of nowhere.
I think that is enough. Let them now wait.
Let's chill for a moment, then we'll update you guys on what will happen.